Kamusta kapatid? Today is Thursday and we're off to another fitness adventure. Actually, moving up ceremony ni Alex today and we decided to celebrate here at West Empire. Let's go. Please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. There are lots of good restaurants here in Davao City, pero dito masabi ko na masarap din talaga yung pagkain. And since fitness yung content natin, eventually mapag-uusapan din natin ang diet. Anyway, this is Alex.
Oh, look at the camera.
Kumusta ka ba dito?
Go.
Kumusta ka lang dito?
Say, kumusta kapatid? Sing. Rock and roll.
So after ng matinding bakbakan sa kainan, umuwi muna kami para magpahinga. Actually, pag-uwi, subukan ko pa talaga mag-workout kaso hindi na kaya. Nakailang set pa ako. Huwag ko pa mag-pull-ups pero yung sa push-ups, hindi na talaga kaya. Bumibigay na talaga yung kamay ko. Isip ko, pag tinuloy ko to, may injure ako. Kasi before, nalala ko, yung mga kausuhan pa ng puro chest days, all chest days. At sobrang sakit ng katawan ko, pinupush ko pa rin na parang hindi ako weak, ganyan nagmamalaki ako. So, that's where I got my shoulder injury. So this time, nag-iingat tayo. Ayaw natin ng kahit anong injury. And worst is, pagod tayo, wala tayong tulog. So, huwag natin i-push. Huwag natin push. Minsan kasi, sobrang motivated ka. Gusto mong mag-workout. Gusto mong ganito, ganyan. Akala mo, kaya mo pa. At the end of the day, nasaktan ka. Na-injury ka. And yung injury, hindi siya madali mag-heal. Matagal siyang gumaling. Kasi sa mga natutunan ko before nung nagbubuhat pa ako. So, ayun. Pagdating ng hapon, pumunta na rin kami sa Azuela Cove para tumakbo. And of course, bago tayo tumakbo, quick warm up. And kung hindi ninyo napanood yung video kahapon, I'm just gonna show you quickly yung course track namin. And this is approximately 1.2 kilometers. And today we ran 5 kilometers in an hour. Actually, mabilis na yun para sa amin since we're all beginners. And as always, after tumakbo, syempre, stretchings. Kung makita ninyo madilim na kasi hapon na rin kami nag-start. But that's okay. So today, cardio lang tayo. Since Monday, I've been doing the push and pull workout. And actually today, sore na yung aking chest, yung aking lats, and yung arms. Nope. So basically, my body is screaming for rest. Nope. So that's what we're gonna do today. And actually, hindi dapat ako sasama tumakbo today kasi wala akong tulog. I think I slept 6:30 a.m. and woke up 8 a.m. Nope. So an hour and a half. Pero pag uwi namin after restaurant, I rested, nakatulog ako kahit papano, kaya nakasama ako tumakbo. And also, I think one way para maalagaan natin yung katawan natin is to always listen to our body. Pag pagod na kayo, huwag nyo na masyadong pilitin. Sa totoo lang, gusto ko pa talaga mag-workout kanina pag uwi namin after jogging. Excited ako, motivated ako masyado. Pero naisip ko, it's not gonna be worth it. Anyway, ang plano talaga namin is longevity and healthy lifestyle. My wife and I talked about this journey and ang plano namin is not to look like bodybuilders but to be healthy. Anyway, yun lang. I think isa sa key takeaway ng video na ito ay mahalaga magpahinga. And for us, usually Saturday, Sunday, yan ang aming rest days. Monday to Friday, tatakbo, mag-workout, but depending kung kaya ng aming katawan. Alright, maraming salamat for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. See you guys on the next one.